The Kenwood DMX400S Multimedia Receiver delivers a bright 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen that feels smooth and responsive, making everyday use in the car noticeably easier. Seamless support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto lets you handle navigation, music, and calls through the dashboard with far less fumbling with your phone. Its 13-band equalizer and digital time alignment give you the kind of fine audio tuning usually found in higher-end components, so you can really dial in the sound to your cabin. USB mirroring for compatible Android phones is especially handy if you rely on specific apps, since you can see and control them directly on the receiver's display. The shallow mount chassis fits well in vehicles with limited dash depth, which makes this unit a practical upgrade even in tighter installations. Overall, the DMX400S combines modern smartphone integration, flexible sound shaping, and an intuitive interface into a well-balanced in-dash multimedia hub.